All right, I'm gonna do a tool bag review on the Veto Tech Pack. But before I do that, I want to give a big shout out to Reliable HVAC. He did a contest for some boots. Great blessings that I won, and he sent them to me. So that was pretty cool that he did that. And yeah, much love on the boots. Also, he sent me some stickers. Reliable HVACR. All right, so thank you so much, brother. Appreciate it. All right, so to the bag. Just go around on this bag. So I got some gloves. I got some booties here. Another set of booties, shoe covers. Then I got a parts box. But the old man that I used to work with called these Diddy boxes. So every time I ask for one of these, I just call it a Diddy box. Y'all let me know what you call them. Just got a couple miscellaneous items in there. I got my brush, thermostat wire. Then up in here, I got my magnet. My magnet for the door switches for the gas furnaces. Then I have some jumper wire here. So I can jump out multiple wires at one time. Then I have my fuse popper here. There you go. And then I have another one in here. And then that's it. So my goal for this bag was to try to keep it light. But this bag is heavy. I'm not gonna lie. This bag is heavy. So I was trying to keep as much, keep the tools to a minimum. Just try to use what I can. I got a tape measure Craftsman on that side. This side, I have my marker. And then I just have my tapes here. So I don't have no expensive tools here. So if you're looking for the expensive tools, I'm not the one. So let's open this bad boy up. All right. So got my meter. This is the 660. Great meter. Have my thermostat or thermometer for temperature here. My right angle, a little stubby. And then this bad boy right here for if they got the locking caps on the condensers. I have my thermostat wires there. So with these, like my needle nose, I have that does the crimper here, right? But I ended up putting this crimper in here just so I can have a true crimper. So I don't have to be, if there's a whole bunch of wires I'm crimping, I don't have to stick it all in the wires and try to crimp it. I can just get straight to it with this bad boy. Got my headlamp here. It's a rechargeable. Nice one here. I got my leak detector. Then I got a garlicking gun here. Then I have another Diddy box here, just with miscellaneous items. This one is pretty cool. It has all your nut drivers here. And then with these, with the like the T20s, T25s, I was trying to have them where I kind of took them out and start putting with the security lock on them. So I just kind of modified the bits, took some out, Then I have the other bits here that I put in here. This one right here, we used to use these for the Lennox, hooking up the high voltage. So this is a pretty cool one. Got my service wrenches here, and then do my wet bulb, dry bulb here. Inspection mirror, just another extension, the 1/4 5/16. This bad boy right here, this is a T20 torque, 6 inch. So yeah, pretty cool. Let's turn this bad boy around. I'm gonna take this off from the top here. Zip it. So a lot of the veto bags that I have, I like to put in the orange tape on them, on the handles. Like for example, this bad boy here and this one here. So I keep my Surge M12 here. Nice little guy, nice little spot. This thing right here is thermal imager, which is this bad boy right here. This one right here, I like this box. So if you're doing like the apartments wall mount air handlers and you're in a tight spot, this is great for it. And also if you're doing like waxing machines or carpet machines, things like those machines that you'll see like at Walmart cleaning the floors, the brushes or the water pumps, this comes in handies for those. I have a lighter here. I have my to pull the motors out, that comes in handies. This, I have another T20 torque bit. These we use to take the doors off of water source heat pumps, because a lot of times you're not going to be using your 1/4 or 5/16 to take off the doors like your traditional units. So you're going to need a T20. That's why I had the 6-inch torque. In here I just keep some batteries, sand cloth, and then in these little pockets right here I just have for the panduits, this thing right here, have a door stopper in case if you want to hold the door open. This bad boy right here is a carbon monoxide detector. Yep. And then in here just have some PVC fittings, some wires. And here I got my cord remover. So I was just trying to keep this bag as simple as I can, not fill it up too crazy. I have my copper cutters here. I got a big one here and then the little one right in there. I was just trying to keep everything as simple as I can, not to try to have the bag so heavy, but yeah, the bag is going to be heavy regardless. Then in here I have my square reader, my fins for condensers, and this bad boy, I got some more CO2, some jumper wires, extra leads or the gators for the voltmeter. Yeah, other than that, that's it. And then pretty soon I already have these bags. I'm not done setting this one up. This one right here is empty. So yep, so pretty cool so far. I'm just trying to have this bag as best as I can, like the ultimate tool bag, but in reality, you ain't gonna really have an ultimate tool bag. You can get close to it, but not quite. And other than that, thank you guys so much. Once again, thanks to Reliable HVAC/R. Much love, brother. Thank you so much.